Welcome to Get Merch Made Academy. My name is Chris. This academy is for influencers that want to make money selling merch to their fans. How can my team and I, based here in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam, teach you and or get your merch made so that you can focus on what you do best? Create content, engage with your fans, and ultimately monetize your channel. On this page, we are offering factory tours in Vietnam. Are you planning to come to Vietnam because you want to meet the factories in person? Well, then our factory tour service is perfect. We pick you up at your hotel at 7:30 in the morning and we take you out to visit 3 to 5 factories in a day where you are the star of the show. The tours include car, driver, translator, and lunch. We definitely need to speak before you pay. So let's jump on a Zoom call and talk about the kinds of products you want to make, the quantities that you want to make, and the quality standard that you need. Message us below and I will reply and we'll set up a time to meet on Zoom. Thanks for your time. And remember, thoughts are things, and where there's a will, there's a way. Welcome to Vietnam, where you can get your merch made at a fair price and good quality.